Hello and welcome to the first of our performance reviews of the Dell Inspiron Mini 9 running Windows XP Service Pack 3 Home Edition versus Ubuntu 8.10 with the Netbook Remix interface. Both these machines are configured exactly the same. 1.6 gigahertz Intel Atom CPU, 1 gig of RAM, 8 gig solid state hard drive. Those are the main things that matter for performance, but they do both have the webcam, and as well they both have the integrated Bluetooth modules, so both systems will be loading up their respective Bluetooth management systems upon boot. First test we're going to see is simply which machine boots faster. So again, this is our Windows XP machine, and this is our Ubuntu 8.10, and again it will be loading the Netbook Remix interface as well on top of the standard Genome desktop. So let's give it a go. There you go, you can see their power lights have turned on, and they're going to get started here in just a sec. They both run the same BIOS, so I must have been just slightly off on my power button presses there, as you saw, as the posts were just a hair different. The Ubuntu machine I must have powered on just a second later than the Windows machine. They both began their startup process. Now, some might consider this not completely fair because of the fact that we are loading the Netbook Remix interface on top of the standard Genome desktop. But I still think it'll be pretty close. We've got to wait. The Windows machine isn't fully booted yet. It is still loading background services. As a note, this is the standard Home or Windows Home Edition install from Dell. Removed all the kind of extra software that's not needed, including McAfee, and instead replaced it with AVG Free Edition. So it's still loading over here on the left. You can see some things are still coming in. And Netbook interface is up, and Windows is up just a moment after it. So in terms of boot performance, pretty darn similar